Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on Ladder. So if there is no sound in the app on your iPhone, it's usually caused by volume settings, Bluetooth routing, or in-app audio controls. So actually guys, first you will need to check the iPhone volume and the silence mode. So you'll need to press the volume up while the app is open, and also you will need to make sure the silence switch is off, okay, like the ring mode is enabled, and this is the most common cause actually. And also guys, you will need to check in-app audio settings. So inside the workout you will need to look for a coach voice and music slider, so make sure volume isn't set to 0, and sometimes the coach audio and music are controlled separately. And also guys, you will need to check the unmute and mute button or option, so make sure that it's not muted, okay, just like that. And actually guys, you will need to check the Bluetooth devices, and to do that you will need to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen or your iPhone screen, and then just go and tap and hold right here on this section. Go and tap and hold on the Bluetooth right here. Go with the Bluetooth settings, the last option on it, and here you will need to disconnect the headphones and speakers you are not using, or connect to the correct devices, okay, so the audio may be going elsewhere, right? So just to make sure. And also guys, you will need to close the other audio apps like Spotify or YouTube that can take over audio, okay, so just go ahead and fully close them, then reopen Ladder. And I do really advise you to force close and reopen the app as well. So to do that, you will need to swipe up from the bottom of your phone, and then just go and close the Ladder completely. How so? You will need to swipe it up, wait 10 to 15 seconds, and reopen it and start the workout as well. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.